Oh. Hail. Hail. Pretty cool color on him. Oh, he came. Dude, I have not seen a rainbow this green. Green. Oh,
Let's see. Very nice.
ready? Yeah. Oh, oh, not the boat. Not the boat. Fire. Yeah, go bite Stacy.
What are you running?
I told Parker I don't know what it's called.
What are these things
It's like
called?
beads in the blade, in little blades.
Oh, it's you got a wedding ring on.
Yeah, wedding ring.
That's what it's called. Just a homemade one.
Sweet. Dang.
You caught one. Yeah, we'll take it.
All right.
Yeah, that was I haven't seen a boat with that color green on the top. That was like a really dark green.
Pretty, pretty.
Oh, he's
Itty
a
bitty.
jumper. Holy, he's tiny. I love when these Rockport rainbows just like fight for their life.
Mm.
It's not like the strawberry rainbow where they just plump, just die.
Cutthroats.
Yeah.
I hate cuts.
So.
Just a log you're reeling in.
Oh, right there. Yes, sir. Quick release.
Oh, good. Didn't have to get your hands wet.
I like that.
Long distance.
That was a shotgun snap. Parker brought took it right to the face.
Cameron's trying to chop me in half here.
You don't want an earring? You don't want to.
I'll have to pass. My thespian days are over. We'll leave that to you in the winter.
With my orange pants?
With your orange can.
Told Sky about that. I was like, I'm bashful to bring him back out. Parker makes fun.
Okay, that sun can come up anytime.
Yeah, that temperature dropped real quick, didn't it? When we
I'll be alright with that.
popped out back into these clouds. It's freaking crazy, man.
That's crazy.
Coming out of the
50,
mist.
50 feet and you can't even see anybody.
Nothing, bro. They're perching too.
Yeah.
Like I say, if you have the desire, we can drop a pole and catch them. I know just where they are.
I mean, if we get sick of this, I'll eat a few. I'll fry them up. Those ones I did last year. Oh, park. Oh, good. Good. There you go.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Watch yourself.
Diving. You want me to net him through the back? There he is.
You can extend it out, Cam.
Yeah, you extend that.
Oh, I got a freaking. I've got that LeBron James wing span, you know. There you go. Look at that green on these guys. Ready. Yes, sir. Oh, shit.
Stacy!
Ooh,
Good one?
good one.
Oh, yeah, he's jumping right there. Now they're waking up.
There we go.
Well, I've put on a little
I'll get,
rainbow.
I'll get out of your way.
Little rainbow spoon looking thing.
Yeah. I'll come over this side of the line.
Yep.
No, you're good right there.
Bam, bam.
There's your little school right there. Got him interested, huh?
They're just waking up, you know.
Yeah. Well, this fog has them all you know, messed up in the head, right?
Well, hey.
This way. Get over here. No. Yeah, I'll pull him around here. There you go.
Ooh, nice fish.
Good one, yeah, Steve. Look at
Very
that
nice fish, Dad.
fat shoulder bow. I like. To the guy that bought my boat, and he's like, "You can throw that in the trash for all I care."
Nice fish.
Love that. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, park. Oh! Yeah. You got picked up, son. You did? I heard my feelings with your spoons over here.
Welcome to another edition of Fish Dealer Chronicles. We're up on Rockport. Yeah, we're fogged in. We've got a few. Hang out with us. We're going to catch some more. Got Cam here, got Parker there. I'm up front.
Got the heater going. It's nice.
Which is good, because it's cold.
Very cold.
Waiting for the suntan to get going.
Got one.
Oh, he's not very big, but I got one. Little better fight now. I don't think he's very big.
The old rainbow spoon.
Out there a mile.
Country mile.
Oh!
Oh!
Double up.
You got a
Yeah.
double? Alright.
I'm gonna be able to net Stacy too and watch it. Oh yeah, look at those things. How did you Look at that guy.
Brown. No?
Brown rainbow.
Yeah, don't melt your pants.
You want to get? Oh, that's a good fit.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Yeah. Another decent rainbow. We'll throw him back though.
Thank you.
Oh, buddy. Little guy, dinky. Oh, you.
That's why we bring you, Cameron. That way you can catch all the dinks for us.
I know.
Weed them out.
That's all I'm
for
good
us.
for. Yeah, dude, these rainbows are crazy.
Good fighters, huh?
Yeah. I mean,
Now it's turning on.
yeah.
First double up. That's good. Getting a little better. You need the pliers.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Like that little magnetic setup too.
I think we'll go to this side of these guys.
Stop. Oh, park, yellow.
Oh,
yellow.
hey. Look at that. Nice timing.
Yeah, buddy.
Your dad had to come back here and give you a little love.
That's it. I just needed his presence.
Yes. Oh, yes, son. Come on.
Come on, son.
Yeah, he hasn't come up yet. Oh, you got him? Yeah. That's a good fish. Oh, yes, sir. Hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a keeper. Yes, sir. Stacy's gonna get the biggest hit of his life. We're about to see some acrobatics.
Right.
If I catch another dink, the spoon will come out. The wedding ring's just
the dink might.
yeah, you know. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's a healthy bow.
Yeah. Good. Look at the tail fin on that sucker.
Show our 10 friends that watch.
Okay.
Hey, I'm one.
Yep.
Hands on that. Me and hey, no, Rocky. Rocky just doesn't have a channel to subscribe to. Rocky loves watching you guys.
Canyon Dam.
Oh.
So they have these float tour boats that take you up there and drop you at the under the dam where the river comes. Yeah,
there you go.
And
It's massive, I can tell.
yeah, I can see that.
Oh, he's gonna cross. Yeah. Okay.
Just come right up here, Camo, right between my poles here.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't burn yourself.
Ooh. You're just giving me the white glove treatment, getting warm while I'm reeling this baby in. Oh yeah, he's over here. Oh, he's, gosh dang it. That's it.
Come around this pole.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Take
Oh,
your
yeah,
line
I
over
got
the
it.
top. There you go. There you go. Right here.
Thank goodness for long arms. Parker and I couldn't do that in a heartbeat.
Oh my.
Wait, I'll grab that pole. We'll pull it in. Okay.
He's a champ. Look at this guy.
Oh, you snagged him, bro. You
Oh, foul hooked him?
Yeah.
Got him in the snaz.
Don't show that.
Don't show. This kind of fish Cameron catches.
You guys want to use this as bait? Oh, I did foul him.
Yeah, it looks
Oh,
like
right through the gill plate.
there's the pliers, brother.
Thank you. I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh.
We'll chalk them up.
Yeah, fish.
I'm telling you,
Here you go, Camo.
Thank you.
we didn't have these GPS. We'd be messed.
We have no idea where we are. You kidding me?
Yeah, that's
and it's not coming off.
Nope.
I still don't know where we are.
Cameron's still confused.
Yeah. I'm worse than a patient with dementia and a corn maze.
Well, we come across the center of this time.
We're actually out in the middle of the lake.
You were right in the, that's what I'm saying.
And
I got you.
Yeah, that's a.
Oh! There he is, there he is. Nice fish. That was
nice
a huge hit.
Oh yeah, this one feels a little bit healthier.
Yeah, got a little girth to him.
Uh-huh.
Well, I ain't gonna get up till he's actually here, cause you know.
Oh yeah. I mean, unless this is the world's spiciest 8-inch rainbow.
Unless you foul hooked him or just dragging him through the water. Oh yeah.
I don't know how far I am though. Oh yeah.
Country mile out there.
I don't know if this line's going.
You're good. You keep coming straight.
Oh! Stacy hit?
no, I think Parker.
Good shape.
Ooh, another pretty colored one. Oh, 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 oh!
Oh, he's slipping!
Come this way, come this way. Dragging him in there. There we go. Hey!
That's a pretty bow. That's what we're looking for.
No, you didn't. No, that's nice. Oh, did you go? Oh, yeah, you did.
I love this rubber net.
Very nice.
It's a good little fishy.
Show that one to the camera.
Not as big as Stacy's and Parks, but
Still
for
nice
my
fish.
size, yeah.
Heck yeah, pretty colors.
Yeah,
Another
great.
keeper?
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna. Everyone gets pissed at me because I go fishing.
Yeah, in the fall especially, they come back here in the shallows and in the spring. Oh, there he is.
Yes, sir.
On the turn.
What is that? Is that
Loon.
that?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, that is a massive fish.
Oh, I know why you caught that one. You kept that one, Cameron. That's the biggest fish you'll catch all day.
Don't say that.
Don't say. Oh.
Get that? Gave him the old 90 and he's like, I like that.
That's it, brother. Oh, yeah.
Spoon morning. They're loving that spoon. No, we've got some really good boats. I think Stacy's is still the big boy.
Yeah, yeah.
That's usually how it is every time we come. Stacy catches the trophy.
I like bringing you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's up at Schofield's still one of my favorite.
Oh my gosh, that was
was
such a pretty fish.
That was huge.
Especially when they get that orange like blown to them.
Yep.
That air still ain't that warm, brother.
No, it's not. Oh, park yellow. Yeah. Yeah. Good hit, good hit.
Did I miss him?
Is that a medium action rod?
Yep. He's medium light.
Oh. I think that's
up medium.
I think you did that the last time we game pie those guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. That's true.
That's our salute. Oh, is he gone?
Yeah, he popped off.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was ready.
Sorry, brother. I wanted it.
Oh, look at how full this lake should be.
Yeah, we were right there,
100 feet in front of him,
not even 100.
if that. Maybe they were shooting at us.
Hey, get out of our line!
And my little tungsten to everything.
The secret to catching perch here
Uh-huh.
is you gotta be right on the...
Oh,
Oh yeah, right there, surface with him.
Ooh, jumping bone.
Can you catch this one, please?
I missed him. He popped off right there.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You freaking.
Oh, there he is. Second one.
Oh, that's a better fish right there, Park.
yeah.
He's got some girth to him.
Oh,
he's
he's a jumping.
There's all kinds of things happening back here.
There's all kinds of things.
Oh, he gave up.
He gave up the ghost here. Especially in this cold. Oh,
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, come on, son.
good net.
Come on.
That's a nice fish right there.
He'll
Yep.
take. We'll keep him. Don't feed the homeless, I guess. You're starting to hurt my feelings.
You're starting to hurt.
3 fish and 1 caught.
Getting a bad success rate here.
Uh-huh. Oh!
Here, hold that beast up here.
Heavy spot.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Oh, Stacy, Stacy, Stacy!
Woohoo! I got one.
Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. You want to catch one?
Ooh, this is a nice one.
Okay. Where's my... Oh, I'm skipping out of my job over here.
That's
Oh,
what.
Park shot.
That's why we brought you, Camo. Net boy.
Isn't that guy?
I might come right up the center to you, Cam. I still got a half a mile to come in though.
Trying to make contact at the other side of the dam.
That was kind of perfect timing.
Yeah.
Those guys, yeah, they cut right across us.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, there you go. Nice little fight. He's getting closer. He's not wanting to come in any further.
About another 100 meters from line.
He's tired of me pulling him in, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. He hasn't surfaced yet, so.
I hope it's a big old brown.
That'd be awesome.
Are there very many in here? Is it super populated? Or?
Yeah, they come out of the Weber River.
Okay, another rainbow.
Another
Nice rainbow.
keeper. Heck yeah.
Nice job, Steve.
Yeah, just leave it back there. I'll
Okay,
come
I
back.
got you.
Good job, net boy.
Thank you.
So you, oh, you're gonna burn your leg.
Check mine though. I wonder if my
Oh, you
hook's
had
at-
4 hits while you were netting all those fish for us.
Shut up. Yeah, I wonder if my hook is on my line
Yeah, that could happen.
from the drop. Oh, yep.
Is that what happened?
Is there any way to prevent that on the drop?
Yeah, you'd have to keep a little tension on the line. Why these trolling rods are nice, because you kind of, you know.
You're still dragging, but you're just
Yeah.
letting out line.
Yeah. Like those ones kind of fall,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Decent one. Keeper.
We'll throw him back. We're looking for the slabby slab.
Little way.
Oh, he's
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, there he is. Boy, as soon as you got that line figured out.
Sure didn't take it very quick.
No, no, it was a little tappy. If you're already cleaning fish today, you might as well clean a perch or two.
That's what I'm saying.
You know what I mean?
Well, I'll eat the perch. The trout and
You'll fry up some perchies.
Yeah, dude.
There you go.
Seriously.
The ones we caught last week were pretty good size. They
Were
were
they?
8 to 10 inches all
Oh,
of them.
yeah.
And then we caught one real nice one that's probably 12, 13.
Oh.
So
Jumbo.
we'll get over there and I'll teach you the technique.
Dude, I just don't even.
Oh.
Come on now. Don't mess with me. Just eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Ah, jumping bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
He's pissed.
Easy, big boy. See, that's why I bring Cameron, because he acts like he's out there on the deep sea pulling sharks in. He has to, you know, pull it back, reel it in.
No, dude. Have you seen how twisted this line is?
I know.
It's so bad. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I like that. Oh, maybe not.
Little football.
Yes, it's okay. They're fine. Yeah, dude, these Rockport bows fight so much harder.
They fight, bro. Hey, you're sitting on your phone, keeping it warm.
I'm not going to tell you how it's cooked.
You want me to give you the pliers there?
Yeah. Right in the gill plate.
Parker's on another one. We've missed 3 so far on the camera. Nice one.
Parker's turn.
That's it. Because I'm on the outside, so my speed's going to get the hair fast.
Let's get that whip.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, another nice one. See you. Bye-bye.
That's it. Yeah. Coming. Nah. Come on now. Oh.
Got it on camera.
He's a planer. He felt good though, like he did.
Decent fish though. Not bad at all.
Yeah, good healthy little guy. I like him. But dude, he hit and just like felt like a brick wall stop.
Gave me a smack, huh? Here's the fly.
Thank you.
Woo. Sorry.
What in the world?
Getting drunk up here.
Oh my.
Well, I'm trying to put some loop in it for my lure, you know.
Okay, I got you.
Shit. Oh, let's.
There you go.
Thanks, buddy.
Burn through that oil.
That's what I'm thinking. I just don't know if you didn't do a lot of maintenance to it.
It's not something people think about a lot.
No, and then the other thing I'm going to do in spring is I'm going to change the tilt fluid or fill it.
The hydraulic
Yeah,
fluid?
for the lift on the motor.
I got you.
Bring them in, bring them in.
He's a little guy. He's a little guy. Come play. He really likes that hot pink. It turns his sides on.
Wow, Parker, nowadays you have to respect all lives.
That's
Right.
I'm just glad Parker's doing it. You want a netter?
Oh yeah. A little better than last time.
He's a skinny jean wearing fish.
Yeah.
Parker's on another. Put him on the turn again.
My turn. Glad you decided to go this way instead of that way.
Oh, he's a trophy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That younger generation gotta look out.
Uh-huh.
I'm the netter.
Oh!
Oh! Yeah, just set the net down. Home net mine.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
That's a triple up. Lost one. Got the two coming in. Oh, I'm on net, boy, now. Dang
Oh,
it.
that is a good fish, Park. Oh, that's a real good fish.
Nice fish.
Watch yourself.
Guy. Ooh, nice one.
Oh,
Great.
and you barely got him in the net.
Woo.